Good morning. It is Sunday, October the 16th, about 7 o'clock, and we're ready to leave the cabin. We got everything winterized and put away and done. It's a pretty full moon up there. While I was driving, Larry filmed some of the pretty leaves. This is a little bit of the West Virginia Turnpike. I was getting down toward the far south end of it. It's 10:04, 55 degrees. We stopped here at a scenic rest so we could switch drivers. There's Pretty Mountain Pass. It's 10:50 and we're here at the Flying J in Virginia, filling up. Our load is still doing pretty good. We got the cooler and the water jug and a sack of dirty clothes all fit in besides the other. Putting the windshield. This is still on 77 going south, and it's where you can look out over and see the view really pretty toward Mount Airy, but I couldn't get a good picture because the light just reflected off the windshield, so I couldn't film the pretty mountains or the huge valley in the distance. It's really pretty down through there, but I just couldn't get it. We're here at a rest area in North Carolina. One more state gone. Larry's making a ham sandwich.
Trying to.
Yeah. He's got Hawaiian rolls and ham. I'm not hungry. I had a banana and a Snickers. He had a banana too, but no Snickers. 12:07 when we stopped here. There was people eating at that table when we drove up. There's Carowinds. We're at the North Carolina-South Carolina border. The old roller coaster. We're about 30 to 40 miles from home and we seen some trees blown over by the storm. There's a lot there where they broke a pecan grove.
Pecans break easy.
Yeah. A lot of those in there broke. All this caused by the hurricane, Matthew. Were those trees we saw earlier, live oak, were uprooted?
Yeah.
Cotton field. On the way home this morning, we saw a cat, a possum, a raccoon, 6 deer, and a coyote. All the animals we saw were close to home except for the coyote. He was in a field in West Virginia. We're here at McDonald's. It's time for Larry to get some tea.
Dang, I can't even stand up.
That tree there has got a small branch broke on it. That's not really it. We saw a lot of trees down, but I couldn't film them all. Big pine tree down.
Bad. Wow. Look at that.
I saw a stack of roof shingles back there in someone's yard. It looked like they had about 4 or 5 bundles of shingles stacked up. I'm going up there to Zaxby's, pick up a salad for supper.
House salad, fried house salad, and with honey mustard and a senior discount. That'll be all.
Fine. Took us 10 hours, but here we are. A lot of pine cones in the yard. And it is 79 degrees and 4:49. It's like our pool cover slid into the pool. About, not quite a third of it maybe. Looks like the screen on the cabana came loose. Here's the pine tree that fell on our roof.
Come here. Look at the backside.
A bit of a mess there.
See what I'm
There's
saying?
the tree that came down. Goes up to the roof. There's the back of the shed. The tree on it. There's a
Well, maybe that
limb
tree
that
would have blew down.
limb that's stuck in the ground. Looks like the underpinning next door all came loose. Larry only lost one lemon. The boat's okay, but it collected some water. Have to get that out there so the mosquitoes don't start hatching. This is all we got left in the freezer. And things we had in the cooler in Ohio. Had to throw everything else out. I don't know if you can see or not, but when the electrics is off and the stuff in the refrigerator spoiled and the defrost or whatever, the water leaked out, it warped our new floor here in front of the refrigerator. Back to a familiar scene. The sun's already set, but there's a nice dark cloud. Good night. God bless.